Hey, I just got some really good news. I heard that you just made an account for our RCA House Points app, and I am so glad that you are now a part of our house family. Welcome. We are so glad to have you. Now, my name is Niles Boyd, and I'm a customer success specialist here at the Ron Clark Academy, and I'm here to take you on a tour if you're a student on your RCA web user interface so that you can have a successful school year. You guys ready? I'm going to show you where to go and everything that you need to know. Come on, follow me. Now, you're going to start right here at the sign-in page. The link you want to go to is app.rcahousepoints.com. Now, it is essential and critical that you type in that link the exact way I just said it and the way it will appear on the screen, because you want to make sure that you are going to the right user interface. Now, when you get there, you're going to hit the student tab and you're going to sign in using your access code that you were given by your administrator, okay? Once you do that and you sign in with your account, you're going to end up here, which is your home page for all things you need to know in your classroom and school when it comes to your app. Here on the homepage, what you're gonna see are the points that you've been given. Now, Bruce here, he's had a really good year. He's in the White House, which you'll see what house you're in this tab right here at the top right of your UI, and he's had 53 points. Now, that's pretty good. You can see all the things that Bruce has done, like the categories, how he got his house points, from what teacher, and when he got his house points. All that is shown right here on your home screen, okay? Now, if you need to know new information from your school, look no further. All you have to do is hit this feed tab. This is basically like school Twitter or X, whatever the kids call it these days. What you want to do is go here, look at the information that is presented, and you can actually react to it. Now, you can't comment, but you can add your little emoji to whatever your principal or whatever your teacher sends out to your classroom or your school to show that you are engaged and you understand the information that has been presented to you. And finally, if you ever want to know where your house stands, don't even fear. All you have to do is go to the left hand and hit the leaderboard tab. When you hit the leaderboard tab, it will generate the leaderboard that is current and up to date on all the points that have been given up to that very second. And who knows, you might even see your face on it, okay? And also finally, if you have any account problems or anything, just make sure you hit this tab where you can change the theme or you can log out at any time. You see, it's really simple and it's really easy. Just make sure you go to the right user interface on the right link, and I promise you everything will be laid out for you. Now, if you have any questions, you can always email us at housepointsapp@ronclarkacademy.com, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.